I've been talking to people of knowledge, people who have been involved in the political evolution of this country. And none of them are seeing a political landscape that is close to what we're witnessing today. I can only say, on behalf of, we're only two remaining, but we're not bothered. I can say personally, and on behalf of my chairman, that when the story of this period is told, and when the story of democracy in Nigeria is told, they will find us on the side of the people.
Sure that we do not only keep the hope of millions of Nigerians alive in democracy, in party politics, through the instrumentality of our party, but indeed we've worked hard to make sure that the fortunes of our party are increased. I leave you, indeed, and Nigerians to be the judge of whether the little we have done was positive and what impact it has made. I want to thank our chairman of BOT for convening this emergency expanded BOT meeting, because in the judgment of the Court of Appeal, Abuja Division yesterday, it becomes imperative that our leaders must sit and then consider the situation on the ground and then come up with workable and implementable options that will save this party and indeed save Nigeria's democracy. So there can never be a better time than now, especially when you look at the compacted nature of the 2026 electoral law that has been passed into law by the National Assembly. I pray and hope that at the end of the day, after probably this meeting, and taking briefing from our team of lawyers who are highly respected senior advocates of Nigeria, that we will have been given sufficient information to enable us to take decisions that will be in the overall interest of our party. With these few remarks, therefore, I want to welcome all of you, and I want to thank especially the chairman, state chairman of our parties, who, in spite of what is happening today, had ensured that the processes of e-registration is going on unhindered without any hitch in their respective states, local governments, and wards. We will continue to appreciate what the Forum of State Chairmen is doing. But more importantly, I want to thank the last men standing, our two indefatigable governors.
Morning is an indication that we are aware, the BOT and other arms of other organs of the party are aware of the critical nature that time plays in the decision they have to take. And you do know that the best decisions people take are usually taken in the smallest of time and under pressure. I can assure you that the decision that will come out of this meeting will strengthen the PDP, will give a platform to the teeming Nigerians who are willing and ready to get on board the PDP platform, to get under the umbrella of the PDP to contest for elections. Well, I have said that there are political, emotional, religious. You see, there's a concept of equifinality. The main thing is when the reason, when a position is picked. How you arrived at the position is not an issue. but arriving at a position that would achieve two things. One, that PDP does not die, and two, that it remains a platform that people can go for election. There are equifinality provisions, but the decision is that these two things must happen. How we arrive at it would only come when we have arrived at it, because the story of hunting is not complete until the hunter leaves the forest. We are still hunting.
So finally, from my own end, are you saying that you are ready to work for them if they are ready to ensure that PDP does not die?
The reconciliation must be based on the principle that PDP operates as an opposition party, PDP does not operate as an appendage of the ruling party, and PDP does not die. That though immediately we find ourselves on that common ground, then reconciliation. I mean, what the PDP is established to do these things. It was established to ensure that people go for elections. If we go for elections, then we do it right. It was established to ensure that if it's a ruling party, it acts as a ruling party. If it's an opposition party, so we don't want to be confused. We don't want to be an opposition party that is behaving as an appendage of a ruling party. I don't know if that answers your question.
I understand. I know how to get my answer.
Can you assess on the complete? So, considering the recent step taken by INEC as regards the review of the timetable for the 2027 election.
Excellent as a student, excellent as a lawyer, excellent, very deep messages. Another round of applause for the chairman. It's a challenging period for the fasting season, both for Muslim and Christian. Housekeeping issues. But whilst that is so, please do well. Press, thank you, who stood their grounds in their time. Our support. And the beautiful fact is, you are going to have to pay for the time.
Don't do this thing now. Finish this thing. How many?